But we can just move on to page 11, where police warn of terror attack. Page 11, police warn of terror attack. Now, Al-Shabaab sighted in Ijara sub-county, Garissa. Security personnel have warned that Al-Shabaab militants might be planning an attack in Lamu and surrounding counties. So now that we already have this warning, I think it's time for the government to put in the necessary measures to help, because we don't want to see our fellow Kenyans dying. What are your thoughts on this?
It's very true that if there is intelligence coming forth, on matters to do with terrorism, then it is very, incumbent on us and, of course, on the forces that are charged with this responsibility to act very quickly and very swiftly, because, of course, we have seen this kind of challenges before when we have had terror attacks, especially in some of these areas. So we should continue to tighten the security, especially in areas where, we are prone to terror attacks.
All right, we can just move on